Hi, and welcome back to Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. Today's video is another installment in my bath bomb press series where I am pressing Unicorn Dreams bath bombs. So for this particular bath bomb, the fragrance oil actually makes the mixture a little bit sticky, and so it can really easily stick to the bath bomb press molds. So what I have to do for this particular one is jack up my oils a little bit, and then I usually only press once with the bath bomb press. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll see that a lot of the times when I'm pressing a bath bomb with the bath bomb press, I'll actually press it twice before I knock it out of the mold. But for this particular one, because the fragrance makes it a little bit difficult to work with, I'll usually only press it once. What's fun about these bath bombs is that I have thrown in some embeds in the middle, and each bath bomb is getting like a different variety of embeds. So there could be blue, there could be orange, there could be purple, like I don't know. I just randomly threw embeds in because it makes for a pretty colorful show when you throw this bath bomb in your bath. So thanks so much for watching. If you don't already follow me on other social media, then I highly suggest you follow me on Instagram. You're gonna see some sneak peeks of things that are coming up on YouTube. In particular, you'll probably see me testing out these bath bombs on my Instagram feed. So definitely follow me over there as well if you're interested in all things soapy and bath bomb and handcrafted cosmetics. Lots of interesting stuff going on over there. And thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.